Hello everyone, welcome to SteamCode. Today I'll be showing you how to start using Node.js. So what is Node.js? Node.js is an open source server environment. It's free, it runs on various platforms, and it uses JavaScript on the server. This will be the final product at the end of our tutorial, and so let's get started. So the first thing you're going to want to do is navigate to the Node.js website, so node.js.org. Click on this button to download it. Now once you have that downloaded, you want to navigate to your app.js folder, and the first thing that we're going to want to do is we're going to want to include a module. And so we're going to say var http equals require http. And so a module is basically something that you want. Think of it like a JavaScript library. It's something that you want to include inside of your program. And what this module does is it allows Node.js to send information over the HTTP. So now we're going to want to say http dot create server function req res, and then down here we're going to say dot listen 3000. So what this does is it creates a server, and it creates that server on port 3000. And so inside of this function we'll say res dot write head 200 content type text plain. Okay, so what this line of code does is it states that the response from the HTTP server is supposed to be displayed in plain text. So underneath this we'll say res.write hello world, look at this website. And so this basically just writes it onto the server or onto the client, so the client's able to look at it. And then we'll end the response by saying res.end. So save this, go into your terminal, and then within this terminal say node app.js. Now you can navigate to your localhost 3000, and here it is. Hello world, look at this website. Alright, so this is just a basic overview of how to start using Node.js. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, and if you'd like to see more tutorials, please name them in the comments. Feel free to like and subscribe. This was SteamCode. I'll see you next time.